And today in this video, first of all, I haven't done intros in mad long, so this is like the first intro in quite some time. But today in this video, I'm gonna be doing watercolor on non-blonde hair, black hair. Everyone that's doing this technique is doing it on platinum hair, 613 blonde, Russian blonde, and I was like, I couldn't find any tutorials where I already had like black hair and I had to go lighter. So I was like, you know what? I mean, I see why now because it's a waste of time. But for the most part, there are people out there who don't have Russian blonde. So there gotta be a tutorial for them. So I was like, okay, let me make it. Alright guys, so you wanna start off by getting a bucket. Second, choose your color. And third, bleach any hair that is black to a lighter color. I use 40 Developer with the L'Oreal Quick Blue to lighten the hair color. Next, I went ahead and got some boiling water and I poured it in the bowl along with some of the hair color, and I squirted kind of like half the bottle because I wanted the color to be a very dark color. Next, you want to go ahead and just dunk the hair in the actual bucket, lace frontal and all. So the hair is a little bit too green for me, so I had to go ahead and make the color a little bit darker, which is why I squirted a little bit more of the hair color in the actual bucket. Because the hair is not platinum blonde or 613, you will need to use a little bit more color to kind of get the color to rub off onto the hair. Now, if it was actual 613 blonde hair, I wouldn't have to put as much color, but in all, it came out to be the color I was looking for. Next, I wanted to go ahead and just dunk the hair in several times. I'm holding it because I felt like my lace was turning green. So I was starting to freak out a little bit, but in the end, I found a way to kind of like get the color off the lace. So you're okay if you go ahead and dunk it. This is more of a harsher color, guys. If you're not using a harsher color, it shouldn't rub off onto the lace frontal. Just want to give you guys that little heads up. So the color came out to be what I was looking for. And I used some shampoo only on the lace. I tried not to get it on the hair, so only on the lace to get rid of the green on the actual lace frontal. Next, you want to proceed with the regular washing. Do not shampoo this. It is watercolor, so I think it might strip the hair a little bit more. Use conditioner to kind of just slather it and just moisturize the hair and get its life back into it. You don't have to really shampoo it, so try to avoid doing that. This is how the hair came out. It was actually a really nice, pretty sea green. It looks green bluish sometimes, and it looks green sometimes. It looks both colors, so if you like this look, that's perfect. But the reason why it came out with different variations of this color is because, like I said, I dyed it blonde and some parts lifted quicker with the blonde than others. But it's okay because I actually love my outcome. This video was supposed to actually be a get ready with me, but then I ended up just switching it because I figured I'd save this topic for a more personal day. So instead, I just went ahead and showed you guys how I installed it. This video is not me showing how to install it, but I always just give you guys a little bit of glimpse of what's going on. So go ahead and watch the rest. Again, guys, this hair is from West Kiss Hair. Very fabulous. Absolutely love the way this hair was. Just very heavy because there's a lot of hair in this wig. This is the end result of my hair. This is how everything looks. Honestly, this was actually a really great experience because this was like the easiest hair I've ever had to dye. And I would honestly, this makes me want to dye hair so much more. Like, whoever came up or brought it to light, the watercolor idea for like coloring your hair was really like brilliant and smart, because dyeing your hair can be so expensive, and honestly to have like only use one bottle for an entire wig is like, child, that's life. saved me some coins, so I'm all for that. It was also so easy. I didn't have to wait for it to take forever dyeing. It wasn't messy. It wasn't all over the place. Oh, honestly, this was the best dyeing experience. The only annoying part I had was dyeing it brown. However, it was really hard doing it with a wig because this wig is heavy as hell, okay? This wig is, this has to be at least 200 density. It is a lot of hair. I don't think I've ever had a wig this heavy or this thick before. So it's a lot of hair in this wig. So I had to dip it so many times before it actually was like catching onto the color. And like I feel like up here, it didn't really catch too much onto the color. But that's okay because it still looks really good. But other than that, it came out really good, guys. Like, I honestly had a really great experience doing this. And I honestly want to dye more hair because it was so easy. And again, guys, this is West Kiss hair. So the hair is very nice and silky. As you can see, West Kiss hair. I will have all the information on either or side. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yo, I have like 3 more watercolor videos coming up for you guys, so it's about to be on and popping with the watercolor because I am obsessed with this technique. Like, I just dyed hair in pink the other day and it took like 20 minutes, less than that. Like, bundles are so much easier. Okay, that's for the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I see you guys in my next one. Bye.